Let's cook up some bacon. Let's season with some sweet maple made by Blackstone. Using my dark matter utility knife made by Spaceman Knives, I'm gonna take these jalapeno poppers, cut them in half, de-seed them. Slot dog is back. If you don't know, you should know. We have the ballpark bun size franks. We're gonna just use our slot dog, put her right on, and press over. That's a hot dog. Ah! Bacon's hot and crispy. Let's pull it off. Mustard and seasoning, is there anything better? Let's coat it as a binder, rub it on in, and then we're gonna season. Work it all in the crevices. It's a windy day in the neighborhood. A windy day in the neighborhood. Okay, let's put our dogs up. It's still windy. Okay, let's put our dogs down on the griddle. Let's start cooking them up. The wind's something today. Let's throw down these jalapenos and start warming these up. Let's start toasting up our buns. Keto friendly, of course. Of course, you gotta chop some bacon. Taking some shredded cheese and I'm laying it down because we are gonna put this in our bun.
Why do you like the slot dog?
I mean, why wouldn't you? Do you see this? This is a masterpiece. Everything's cooked up in and all the flavor is just right on in there. Melted cheese in the bun? Yeah, we went there. Take some spreadable cream cheese and go on one side of your bun here. Big flavor explosion. Here's where the masterpiece happens. We're gonna take our hot dog, put it right on in, slot it up, some of our jalapeno poppers, some of our sliced jalapenos, and some crumbled bacon. Oh yeah, do you see this? Ow, ow! If you love jalapeno peppers, you are gonna love this. Thank you to Slot Dog for giving me this tool. You have to give this a try. It's too good to be keto.